guys. So, mag-hi sa YouTube.
Ay, hello! Hello!
Hi!
Meet my friend.
Ah.
Ano
Si
to
Mag-
vlogger?
si Mag-
Ano mo? Ate na lang.
Ate na.
Bibit.
Bibit.
Hello.
May friend agad.
O, di ba?
Huwag ka lang mahiya.
Oo, di ba? Hindi naman masyadong naka-face mo.
Oo.
Okay lang yan. Your auntie. TFO.
Punta na tayo ng Zamboanga.
Mabuhay at magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ay Philippine Airlines Flight PR and 2P2993 patungong Zamboanga. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. This is your Flight PR and 2P2993 bound for Zamboanga. We care about your health and safety. To ensure that you enjoy a healthy, safe, and clean environment, we're all required to wear our face masks throughout the flight.
Mag-uumaga na. Mag-uumaga na.
Nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position, large electronic devices like laptops and
Zamboanga. Time now for convenience, it's 43 minutes past the hour of 6 in the morning. The date today is May 9, 2022 on a Monday. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched. Then pass, First Officer Robilio, First Officer Joljani, and the rest of the crew we thank you for choosing Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Umulan. Punta na ako ng Tawi-tawi. Bye-bye. Baka gusto ko may shoutout. Hi! Wala ka gusto yung shoutout?
Ano mo sabihin? Shy ako eh. Hello! She's going to Tawi-tawi.
Bye-bye.
Nice meeting you.
Umuulan! Ito, may umuulan. Welcome to Zamboanga. Tawi-tawi, sir. Tawi-tawi. Opo.
Letter A yung anak mo. Mamaya pa yun ma'am, makaka-board naman yun ma'am.
Thank you.
Kanan ako mo.
Thank you.
Balik ulit.
Bienvenido Zamboanga. Welcome to Zamboanga. Opo. Connect Manila. Tawi-tawi.
Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Tawi-tawi. Time now for convenience, it's 32 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning. The date today is May 9, 2022 on a Monday. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been embarkation. Please remain seated while waiting for your turn to disembark. Manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelt hanggang ang fasten seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakahilaw. Maaari lamang po kayong tumayo matapos marinig ang inyong roll number para sa ating maayos na pagbaba.
Ang tangkad ko. Welcome sa Masanga. Palanhal kami. Tao po.